Finn, give your 10 fingers. 10 fingers. Then, take away 3. Okay, 3. How much left?
Wait, is it bigger?
This is 5. Bigger 5. Then,
3.
6.
6, 7.
How much?
7.
Very good. Okay, that's a proper way of counting. You start from the bigger one and then add the smallest one.
Yeah.
Okay, so again, so 10 minus 3 equals 7. Okay, next one. 6 minus 4.
6 minus 4.
Okay.
Is it
You can do mental math.
15?
6 minus 4. If you cannot do the mental math, use your fingers to count.
I cannot
Okay,
do
6. Before you know it, 6. Give me the 6 fingers.
8?
No, no, no. What I said? 6 minus 4?
Huh?
6 minus 4, I said. Okay, give you 6 fingers. Go to the side. Okay, show to me 6.
I cannot do
6. So 5. Then plus 1. 5. Then
1.
plus 1. Plus 1. Give me the 5 fingers now. 5. Then plus 1. This is 6. Okay, 6. So minus 4. Give me the 4. Take away 4. 4.
4?
Yeah, like that. 4. And then add this one. How much?
It's
How much?
that
How much left?
2.
2. Correct. Again, 6 minus 4 equals
2.
2. Okay, correct. Very good. How about the, again, go to with the 10. Okay, or let's say go with the 5. 5 minus 2.
2.
Oh, give me your 5 fingers. Then minus 2. Only 1. 5. One hand is 5. Then minus 2. Remove this. This
This is
one.
5.
Yeah, 5. Minus 2. Take away 2. Okay, very good. How much
3.
left? Correct. Again, 5 minus 2 equals
3.
3. Very good. And how about the 8? 8. Give me the 8 fingers. 8 minus. Give me the 8 first.
I don't know which one.
Okay, this is
Tell me.
5, right? Okay, 5. So, to make it 8, okay, just remove the 1. And then, it's 4. And this one again, the other hand, remove the other one is 4. 4 plus 4 equals, remove 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, so 4,
4.
to this, 4. Fold, 4. 4. Another one, 4 also. Okay, 4 minus, what did I say?
4.
4 minus 4. Or remove the 4. No, remove. Just take away. 4. This is 8, right? 8. 8. Give me 8 fingers.
8. 1. I don't know.
I already told you this one. Fold it. 4. And then 4 is 8, right?
Yes.
So minus 4. Remove this. Take away 4. How much left?
It's
How much left? How much is left?
It's 1, 2, 3.
It's already 4. Okay. Very good. 8. Take away 4 equals
4.
4. Okay, next one. Last one. So 10.
And after that, that's it.
Yes, 10. Give me 10. Okay? Then take away 5. Take away 5. How much left?
0.
No. 10 already. 10. Take away 5. Just 1 5. Remove the 5. One hand remove. Then how much?
5.
Correct. Okay.
And that's it.
More practice in subtraction. You know already the math and you know already the addition and division, multiplication. More practice in math. Okay, but today we did already the mental math last time before this. So we do it again, okay, for the next video. Say bye.
Bye. Take my next video. You guys are awesome. See you next video. Bye.
Bye.